Costco sold approximately 106 million rotisserie chickens in fiscal year 2022, every single one at a price of $4.99. That price has not changed since 2009. And by most estimates, Costco loses money on every bird it sells. Between 2009 and 2023, the United States Consumer Price Index for food rose by over 60%. Chicken prices at competing grocery chains climbed steadily alongside that inflation. But Costco's rotisserie chicken remained at exactly $4.99, an island of fixed pricing in a rising cost world. According to reporting by Bloomberg and business analysts, Costco has been estimated to lose approximately $30 to $40 million per year on its rotisserie chicken program. The cost of raw materials, labor, packaging, and refrigeration consistently exceeds what customers pay at the register. Most companies would have raised the price years ago. By 2018, Costco faced a serious supply problem. Its chicken volumes were so enormous that relying on outside suppliers threatened both price stability and quality control. So in 2019, Costco opened a $450 million poultry processing facility in Fremont, Nebraska, one of the largest of its kind in the United States, capable of processing approximately 2 million chickens per week. The $4.99 chicken is what economists call a loss leader, a product priced below cost specifically to pull customers through the door. But Costco's version is more sophisticated than the typical grocery store loss leader. The chicken is positioned physically at the back of the warehouse, forcing every customer who wants it to walk through the entire store first. Internal research and retail analysts have consistently found that Costco members who visit for the rotisserie chicken leave with far more than just a bird. The average Costco transaction in fiscal year 2023 exceeded $100 per visit. Every additional item added to the cart because of that walk through the store represents pure profit that more than offsets the loss on the chicken. Costco's true profit engine is not merchandise at all, it is membership fees. In fiscal year 2023, Costco generated approximately $4.6 billion in membership fee revenue, which accounted for the vast majority of its operating income. The chicken, the cheap hot dog, the $1.50 food court combo, all of these are tools to ensure members renew their $65 or $130 annual fee every single year. As of 2024, Costco operates over 890 warehouses worldwide, with a global membership base exceeding 73 million households. The $4.99 rotisserie chicken, unchanged in price for over 15 years, remains one of the most recognized symbols of that loyalty. It is not a mistake. It is a masterclass in understanding what customers actually value, and betting everything on keeping that promise.